do you handle a military personnel that decides to bully a civilian? This was a couple years after I retired. I was walking through the local mall one afternoon when I noticed a group of young guys, obviously tech school trainees from the nearby base, harassing a small group of teenage girls, whistling, loud comments, just being punks. I didn't hesitate. I stepped up behind them and snapped, "Attention!" They all froze, like muscle memory kicked in. Then one of them noticed I was in civilian clothes and said, "You can't call us to attention. Wanna bet?" I said. I asked what squadron they were with. They gave it up pretty fast. I made note of the worst offenders, names, ranks. They asked who I was, and I gave them my retired rank and last name. Told them flat out they were giving every airman in town a bad name. Suggested they head back to base before they made it worse. Next morning, I called their squadron and got the first sergeant on the line. Told him who I was and what I saw. Said I waited until morning out of respect. No one likes a late night headache, even for this kind of thing. He appreciated the heads up and took my number just in case. 2 days later, he called back laughing. Said the commander had restricted the whole group to base for a month, but more than that, I'd rattled them. They went straight back to base that day, shaken. One even asked the shirt to apologize to me if he ever got the chance. I told him I didn't tolerate that kind of behavior in uniform, and retirement didn't change that. He laughed again and told me to keep calling if I ever saw it happen again. Respect isn't optional when you wear the uniform, on duty or off.